It's great to have you back. And today we've got something exciting to show you. It's the Yealink S40. Today we're going to look into this product in a detailed manner and we'll be seeing what makes it stand out. So let's get started. Yealink S40 packs a punch with its dual eye camera and 8 MEMS microphone and 12 10-watt stereo speakers. This device has integrated audio and video capabilities right out of the box. For a deeper dive into these features, be sure to check out the detailed video linked in the description below. Now, when it comes to using the S40, you've got options. First, it works seamlessly as a simple plug-and-play device with your existing desktop or laptop. Second, you can integrate it with an MVC or MTR system to unlock the full suite of room capabilities offered by Microsoft. And that wraps up our product overview of the Yealink S40. We hope that this gave you a clear and helpful look at the product and its features and what it can do. If you've got any sales-related questions or any technical questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us using the contact details given below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.